there's the marquee for All-Star Music. All-Star Music. So, yeah, this has been changed a little bit, but morning. Washrooms are right over here. And you got your gift shop. So here's the gift shop, which when it comes to gift shops, the All-Star Resorts, the Value Resorts seem to have the largest gift shops outside of Contemporary, because the whole mezzanine walkway area at Contemporary is like one giant gift shop, where these tend to be a little bigger than your standard gift shop at your DVC resorts and moderates. They have a little bit of everything. They've got some toys, some puzzles, games, definitely clothing. Lots of keychains, some sunglasses. But I've always really enjoyed the theming of the All-Star Resorts. And you still have some grocery options. Good morning, how are you?
Good morning. Good, how about you?
Very well, thank you. What are we looking at? Oh, the Monopoly?
Yeah. And it includes My Castle.
Oh, I see. And I like the Villain's Clue. I think that would be fun.
No,
Here's some different Spirit jerseys over here.
yes.
I like this. Man, I feel like my grandparents should give me this for Christmas. The velour tracksuits that we got as kids.
This is a bit different.
Yes. That is part of the Canadian tuxedo. Jeans and a jean jacket and a jean shirt, and there you go. You got your Canadian tuxedo. That's cool.
Best quote ever. I'm gonna find a pin book. This trip. The old-fashioned looking skyways.
Mm-hmm. Yep. And for those that like the sparkly stuff, there's your Minnie Mouse. So this is going to be a tour of the All-Star Music Resort. Won't be a room tour, we aren't staying here. And there isn't any available rooms for us to actually go and have a look at. So this is just going to be a quick tour of the resort area. All right, now this is out at the main pool outside at All Star Music. As you can see, the buildings are all decked out in giant maracas and bongos and giant guitar for the swimming pool, with the three caballeros as the main centerpiece. I've always enjoyed staying at the value resorts. Probably not gonna show you all of the different areas, so we will do one of the quiet pools before heading over to All Star Movies.
They were very nice people.
Yes, yes, we just met a very nice family from New Jersey. Had some lunch with them. I will go back and record the cafeteria section at All Star Music as well, because I forgot to cover that while we were eating. So.
Medallas iridiscentes.
Moving back towards the jazz section. We'll go this way. So all of the large icons are out front. They hide away the staircases at the end of the buildings. All the buildings are decked out and adorned with instruments. So saxophone and trumpet, trombone, and a drum. Clearly this is the jazz section, so you'll have music appropriate instruments. You've got the nice fountain here in the center of the jazz buildings, and there's a kids splash area and another pool back here. Nice relaxing area to come and sit. Have a piping hot beverage in the morning or an adult beverage later in the day. And back here's, like I said, back here's another one of the pools. Well, this is the piano pool with Ariel. So, and then it gives you your guide as to what's in what area, what directions for things. So from here, we're going to take a stroll over to All Star Movies.